Tip of the day: explore the advanced settings in the strategy simulator for more realistic backtesting. Start with a BTC chart and apply an indicator like true retail long percent, currently sitting below 50%. Now move to backtesting labs, ticker BTC. Time frame 1 hour, look back 1 year. Indicator retail long percent. Now adjust the range filter to show data when the long percent falls below 50%. Add key metrics like average max drawdown and average max gain. You'll notice gains are similar to the benchmark, but downside risk is lower, a constructive signal. Export this to the strategy simulator and set up long position, 4% take profit, 2% stop loss. Now comes the key part: advanced settings. Add entry and exit fees, approximately 0.045% each, to reflect real trading conditions. With fees included, results show more realistic P&L and drawdown. Generally, whenever you open a position on an exchange, you have to pay entry and exit fees, which are approximately 0.045% each. So, let's add a 0.045% fee to both and test the strategy. The results, such as cumulative P&L and the risk metric, drawdown, already account for these entry and exit fees. For comparison, we'll now close the advanced settings and run the strategy again. This will show different numbers, as they don't include entry or exit fees. Using fees bridges the gap between backtesting and real execution. Along with fees, you also have the trade size calculation method. With portfolio percent, your entire portfolio is used for each trade. For example, if $10,000 grows to $11,000, the full $11,000 is deployed in the next trade. Alternatively, you can switch to risk percent. Here, you define how much you're willing to risk per trade. For instance, setting 1% risk on a $10,000 portfolio means your maximum loss per trade is $100. Once you apply risk-based sizing, both cumulative P&L and drawdown metrics adjust accordingly. These advanced settings make your backtesting far more realistic and aligned with actual trading conditions. Level up your strategy building with high block capital.